Here is the main page.
页面是这么写的，然后这个要输入密码，密码是6个8，三整。然后你先输入6个8。OK， 然后点这些就可以进去设置了。
This is parameter. Parameter normally is loaded to change, and the main page and PLC. Main page is start, stop, conversion, and here is the framework. Start, stop, and everything stop. The power switch, and the heater, heater is on, heater is on, and this temperature you can change, and you can change the paper speed and this one control the hot air control. This sensor. This heater is control the ceramic hot air. This two. This one hot air, and this one. Two pieces hot air. And here is the start, stop. Normally you can use the control panel. And here is the jog. Jog is inch moving. Jog is inch moving. Inch moving is for the adjustment. For example, you can for adjustment, inch moving, step moving, and disposable. 这个是什么？就是说，for the discharge. This one is for the discharge and check this. This one for discharge, for flex. This one for flex, one time flex for manual. For automatic clock. And here is the parking alarm is from page Chinese promotion support 神品垃圾报纸 and 阻止报纸。这是 for the alarm。这个是那个分膜检测报纸是哪一个？不是 for the alarm， 是那个是吧？就是说那个烟火报警是吧？
对，这边只是报警报警。
它是什么报警？就是说它那个非典有废品吗？它是没有成型报警还是？
这个成型之后没有纸过来，它直接就报警。
纸张没有过来报警还是？纸张粘在上面。Use the paper. This one is for the paper, for the alarm. This one for the paper alarm. They use the paper stop and paper stack here and the block here and the rear alarm. This one is for the first one, for the first alarm, for the parking alarm and the pull out alarm. This one is pull out for the paper, for the paper alarm. If the finished the， 就是说这个拉纸的话就是拉这个啊。
对。
因为要非要pull the box to here, and here is what to take the box, and the auto stop. And here is paperless alarm. Paperless alarm to take the paper short. This is for this is this one is for the paper. This one for paperless. That means paper short alarm and give you alarm and you should fix the paper. And the parameter you need and the password. Password is 68888868. And here is normally is not to change. 这里面就是基本上不用动的是吧？
因为有些它需要微调一下。
它放模具的时候哪里要动的？
放模具几乎有些时间都相同的，就不用。
Normally is not to change. Sometimes maybe if you want to change later, and we can show. This is input monitor and alarm page and the home page and Chinese. Here is the speed. Here is the speed and here is production how many pieces and here is time plan how many pieces. Also start, stop and jog moving and flag one times and here is the parameter. Here's the parameter setting. Here's the parameter setting and here is the IR. And here's the alarm switch and here. Okay, here is the manual. Here is the feed paper. Here is the feed paper. Here is the feed. Here is the switch off, and here is the start the paper. And the electric safety is here. Electric is RSPN. RSPN is fire line, RSP fire line, and N is loud line, and P is the protector line. RSP is the fire line, N is loud line, N is loud line, and this one is P protector line. And here is the control the power switch, and here is the air-free relay, and here is the PLC control, and here is AC driver. Here is AC driver, and this one is the motor, step motor. 这个是四部电机吧，4部是吧？Serial motor free driver. Here is the control. The menu controlled by the PLC, and here is a solid relay, solid state relay, and there is a blower. Here is the blower to blow the air, and here is the main motor. And here is the air tank. Here is the blower. Blow the hot air. Hot air is from here, from this pad. From this pad to the two pieces of hot air. Provide the hot air. Here's the blower, and the blower to blow the, and there is a tank. This tank for the air compressor. The machine inside is simple. And you can see this side. The machine inside is simple. Okay, what now? It's almost finished. I will show you how to change the mode. Here is the feed paper. And here is the switch. Here is the sensor to detect the paper. And here is the stock paper. Here this one stock the paper. And here is the guide to feed the paper. Here is the feed the paper. This one to feed the paper. And the hot air is heating. Two pieces hot air heating. And here is the sensor to detect the paper. And here is forming. Here is the location. Here is the location adjustment. The location. And here is the forming. The corner forming. Let's get the corner forming. And downstairs there and this one is to grab the box and finish the box and take it by the serial motor. And here is the sensor detect. It is moving. And here's the fan fully. And here for discharge. And controlled by the air cylinder. And here inside also heater. 4 pieces heater inside. Here is the step motor control. Serial motor control the for the paper, for the box, for the clicks. And there is this sensor discharge. This is sensor control. Every 5 pieces open this one. Okay, here's the machine simple. Okay, right now we can change the box, change the mode. 那好吧，看模具。First, we show the close of the total power and close of switch of the temperature control, because the hot air inside. This one is hot air and the heater inside. We show the weight mode, cool down, and this one cool down. 这个温控仪是控制这个的啊，温控2是这个的啊。那个的，这个温控1是这个，温控1是这个，温控2是这个。模具是。The temperature control 1, temperature control. Temperature control 1 is for air, to hot air control, and temperature control. Temperature control thermostat 2 is for the heater, for the 2 pieces heater. 2 pieces heater. For the 4 pieces heater inside. 4 pieces heater inside. And here is resistant plates. The mode for different size mode, there are different size mode. 4 pieces. Okay, with the heater cool down, and then we will start to. Here is for the paper. Here is for the paper sack. On off for the sack paper. 要去改，里面要改东西吗？
不用改，
不用改的啊。
行，
first we should 把这个2个去掉是吧？报警开关去掉是吧？
这个是师傅
报警。
师傅就是说这个控制这个师傅这里。如果你这个一点就是7根这点，这个就点不动了，用这个师傅点这个。点这个师傅。
把它拉过来是吧？
对。
换模具的时候先要拉过来是吧？
对。
This one is control. This one is control the servo motor. For the servo motor to pull the box. First you should do this one. This one is on, and then you can finish put out, pull out. While you press, this one will pull out. It works. But if you turn off, you click off, this one is not work. This one is not work. So you should this one.
时间更长了，等一下，时间更长了就按这个复位。按这个复位。
启动是吧？
对，启动复位。不按启动复位的话，它一下子时间更长，它就会往这边弹，它就会报警。
什么变长了？
就是时间隔得太长了啊，它里面有个保护时间已经过去了。再按一下这个手动的，它直接往后面一走就直接报警了。
但是不是很明白。就是 press start to this one automatic go there and back。这样子是吧？
对。
这个是拉过来的是吧？
对，
主要是说拉过来是吧？
手动的。
然后呢，调试的时候换模具的时候，先测哪一个？
先测这个定位，把这个定位切掉。
这个先要把这个拉过来是吧？对。While you change mode, first you should pull this off, pull to this place.
只有它弄好的时候，直接按启动。
And here for the first, we should lose the location bar. This one is for the location. Adjustment the location for the box, for the paper. First we lose the location bar. It's very simple to play, to board. And right now we lose the mode. The mode of the forming mode controlled by the 4 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4 boards. 这是卸那个right now lose the serial combo. Right now lose the serial combo, thermal combo. Servo combo for the heating thermal combo. And right now we lose the mode, forming mode press. It's 4 pieces. 4 pieces. 要关掉哪一个？
关总闸也可以。
电源关掉，这个 you should turn off the power. You should turn off the power. 为什么要关掉电呢？
关掉电源一按下，
不线要拆掉。we should lose the heater.
这边有个开关，其他模具这个不一样长的。
We should lose the heater because the different size the heater may be different.
还有一个，这个是气的开关，也要把它放开。
And also we should turn off.
对的。
We should turn off the. Okay. We should turn off the air. Air.
安全一点。
We should turn off the air. Also we should turn off the air.
换模具的时候要把气源关掉，电源关掉。
Okay, for the safety, you should close off the power and close off the air.
那里要锁一下，可以把这里锁死。那里要
就是
锁一下，
抬到最高的时候是
抬到
吧？
最高点。
Well, this one you go to the loose to the upstairs to the top piece. You should lock. Here, you should lock it, and let the rod drop down. Let the rod drop down, because the air is already closed off, so it's automatic. The air cylinder is automatic drop. The air cylinder, all the air cylinder control is automatic drop. Here, you should rise to the top piece, wipe to the top piece location, and then here's the lock. Here's the lock. Here's the lock. And let the lock drop down. And here, you see, it's automatic drop down because there is low air, compressor air. Here 4 bolts. Loose the 4 bolts. Very simple. Loose the 4 bolts.
这个是固定底膜的4颗螺丝要卸掉。然后正常来说，因为加热管的这个管径不一样，有的还需要在这里把线盒拆开来换这个线。按模具大小不一样。
Sometimes maybe you should change. You should also to open this box because the heater may be different. The heater different, and maybe you should change use this one to replace to change the heating electric parts, heater electric parts.
这里要把它拉上来。
Here you should move to the upstairs. Here is loose the you should lock because here is to the top and down. So you should move here. That means that's this part to the lowest location. And what now is lose the heater.
等一下，这车链断不下来了。
很烫 ，it's hot, very hot. Because just 小心一点，很烫。It's very hot. Because normally we should 等一下吧，它那个 because the lens is difficult. 等一下吧，别急，我说它这边。So that's why we should lose this one. We should lose the heater. The heater control.
这个加热管注意安全。
Yeah, okay. The heater. Here's the mode, the forming mode, and here also we will lose this part. We will take this part out, and then
放回去。
then we lose down. We just and then to the location and fix. The location and fix. And here we lose this part, this lock. Let's match together. And then we lose we pour the air. We pour the air pack.
放在这里。
然后这个就是上模的固定模。
Yeah, up board of the forming board. Four boards.
我觉得切最小的也不知道切哪个地方。
The location
最小的
board.
跟那个130的和180的。
4 pieces board for the 4 top parts. The 4 boards. Again, the locker again. And here we locker again. While we lose the boards, while we lose the boards and we locker again. Different size. 这个都是一样的吗？尺寸这个？
没有，有的高一点，有的矮一点，大的可能矮一点点。
我是配了的。
那这个它怎么去看呢？就看高矮嘞。
大小都不一样。
就是他们跟每一套匹配的，还是说？
它有一个这个如果深度有差异，它就会差一点点。就是你就直接告诉，哎，你对比一下，对比一下。
This one，
你对比一下长短，给他看一下意思就知道。
This one. You say because this one is the sleeve, because the mode height difference, So this one for the tall mode, this one is very high. So this one is
有
short.
两副大的毛巾
This
嘛
one is short.
两副大的毛巾就
And if this one for some of the mode,
大
the
是另外一副大的。
yes depends on the height,
两副
depends on the box height and the mode height. 好的。
短的。
And for the short one, for the short box, you should use another sleeve, sleeve for the location, because the total height is the same. Because the forming parts, the total height same. The cylinder control the move stock. From the forming area to the top east, the forming height is same. So you should keep the where it's drop to the lowest, and you can check the height. And right now we lose this one. Right now we lose this board. To take this, while you pull and fix. Pull to lock it, and here take it out. Because we should turn different plates. This one is the location, the paper location nylon plate. For the the box paper come here, and here first pass the paper, and the forming up mode come down to fix the paper. Different size you change. There's two boards. Because the height.
这个固定点就锁那两根杆子。
我知道。There's two boards. 它那个它装机是那个11，
装机是
那个11几的，然后你看一下，对，你就直接装那个嘛，你可以直接装那个，或者装小的也可以。
这副还要试哎。
那你就装那个。到时候样品每一个都要几个，到时候我要这几个。
每一个的样品都要。
不是，这不用全部调，但是我样品要的。等一下再讲，你先放这个。Right now we change to the smaller size.
就是最小的那个对吧？
对。Here is the location. 它下面这个不动的啊。
你看，下面
这个是固定的啊。
下面那个可不用动。
固定的啊。哎呦，没电了，算了。没电了算了。是这个。
先装第一把。
到时候跟他打包的时候，每一个模具都是单独放一起嘛，就是对应的放一起嘛。
单独
小木箱，那边那种小木箱包装。
First we should fix the location board, nylon board. You see the nylon is upstairs, nylon is upside, nylon part upside, and here is 2 pole. And there is 2 spring, long spring. And there is a two. There is a two kosher, sparing. Bearing. There is kosher. Well, we lose to the lowest, and location and the pool. To the lowest, well, pool here, and then we fix here, and then we fix here.
现在只是组装，这个高度调多高，要把模具装起来，才知道装多高，就是它这样的状态接近于那个纸送过来的这个平面这个高度，后面还要再调一下。
First we lock it to the lowest, because this one is for the paper, for fit the paper location. And then we fix the boards. Then we fix the two boards. After assemble, and then we fix the
这里有一
boards.
个洗洞，要装的时候这个洗洞朝那边。
And here is an incline, because for the paper fit. Incline used to be this side for the paper, near the paper. Here is the incline.
现在灯也出力度，还在看一下而已。
然后理论上这个模具先放上去不锁死，先把上模那个装上去之后再调一下。
First, we just place the mold here, and we should fix. We should fix the up mold, and then we should locate. Right now, we should put the up mold, top mold on here. Top mold in the mother mold. The female mode. Here, what now we fix the sleeve, the location sleeve. So you should male and female mold together to keep it moving. There's 4 ports.
上模具可以锁死，但是要调教呢，下模具先不锁，人家要把这个位置校正了之后才锁。
First, we can look the male mode and the female mode. We should not locate, not fix it, because there is little adjustment against the paper, against the box sealing, the corner sealing, and then we adjustment the button, fix the button location. Let's move the female mode, because just keep it almost in the center. Keep it almost in the center. It's better to keep almost the 4 bolts in the center. And you see, move up and down. That's easy, smoothly and easy. Not stack either, not stack and very tight. So there's 4 bolts. While you tight the 4 bolts, you should not tight, not fast, very tight and slowly. We should speed tight and then slowly one by one opposite. Opposite bolt fix it.
这个长，后个长一点，这个四个这个就行，这个四个。这个压门都不要拿4个吧。这2个要给你这个装上去。
While you keep here, you can move and then we check the location. This side and this side should be even, parallel. This side should be even, almost even, parallel. From here, measure from here.
用尺子量，也可以用这个肉眼观测一下4个边它的间隙怎么样，基本上就这样就差不多。
And also this side. That means keep this model, the 4 side almost even, almost even to the side edge.
大概的平面是这个指到这个位置。
Here is loose, this one. Here is loose, this one. While feed the paper, the paper will be easy to feed and a little down this one, a little down this one.
这个的水平位置不能高于这个平台，因为大概没有需要说超级精确。
And here check the 4 side gap.
再给它配好舒不舒服的。都已经给它配好。
已经配好了。它靠下面的弹簧的螺丝锁位的。
After the fix and later we can slowly adjustment. We can small adjustment.
这哪里？这完全是靠下面这2个杆子锁那个高度。所以你需要告诉他这个高度的标准是低于这个平面，然后要不然他只推过来就挡住了，是这个意思。
这个平面就是170。
170，
然后一部分全都给它。
就是模具的总高低于那个平面的5毫米。已经调好了。
已经给它喷好，全都毛巾基本上是。它把那纸巾装上去就。这个刚好是对了，就是它这个脱料板有个换机。
脱料板一定要好，那个厂商要标准是低于那天送过来的平面，要不然会卡住。跟客户讲就可以。
The nylon board should about 5 millimeter down. It's down. You see the mold is down. It's here. This one is almost here. Because a little. You see, a little higher than the mold. A little higher, about 5 millimeter higher than the mold. And also to the under this one. See? Yeah. 等一下。
现在还没定好。
没事，我大概等一下。You see, this one is like this, with the paper like this, and here should be like this one. That means this one should not over this one. But now we just a little loose, a little fix, And fix location board. There's 4 board location.
不用换吧？
No need to worry tight. No need to worry tight. Just keep it little.
这个要拆的。
And to fix. And here is the adjustment, of course, later.
可以迟一点，一下子可以。
There is already box. Already make the box. Take one box. Take one box and to the
最短了。
straight. All the to form into the push to the downstairs and forming. To check the gap. To fix the gap.
如果这里没有把它调准的话，盒子做出来可能一边是粘的很牢，另一面是假粘，就做的。
This one is very important for adjustment because this one is the forming adjustment. The forming, the four color forming. So this one adjustment is very important. The box paper makes the gap.
静一下，回收了，静一下。
And what allow loose the board and then tight again. Because the location almost fixed.
如果说客户那里第一次调没有盒子，你怎么办呢？先把这个底膜先不锁，然后这个也整把它那个就是不锁。
You fade one paper.
锁死。
If you do not have a box,
不
you
影
use
响
one
的，没有
paper.
保险这个。
You use one paper and not very tight. The four boards not very tight. Because if you first have a low box, you should use paper. Use the paper and put inside and to adjust the location. It's very tight here. See, very tight. Now fix the heater. 4 heater. Each model there is 4 heater.
它紧螺丝对角紧。
If you already have the box, so you can tight the board. You can tight the board.
接这个线的时候，一根上面，一根下面，两个分起来就是4根一起穿过来，等于是做了结合一样。这个翅膀最小的要拆掉，小的要拆掉。
This one is for the here's adjustment for the location, for the guide, the paper guide. Because for the smaller one, smaller paper, smaller size, you should lose this one. You should lose this one. And here's for the heater. Say one is up, one is the yeah. Okay, 好的。
这个连线不分正负极，它这种不双工的，它电热加热半空。 服务路哪边接上哪边接服务一样，没关系。然后回路
就主要是这个不要搞错，就是那个会议室。
Loose guide bar, the paper guide bar, paper support bar. There's 4 pieces together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means each one play together, and another each one. 4 pieces.
这个图
And here is thermal combo. Here is thermal combo.
细节最好是拍一下。
这个先不拍，这里先不拍，等一下拍，先不拍。
没关系。For the small box, because this guide bar is already over the mold. You see, this one is already over the mold. That's why it should loose. You see, the mold is here. The mold is here. The mold is here. So the paper should short. This one should move. And here we fix the heater. We collect the heater.
这个可以拿起来。
One side. There are 2 heater collectors.
这接线尽量让它拧紧一点。有时候它拧不紧呐、拧不紧它没供电呐、加热加不上去了。接头啊，用人一搓的时候稍微更紧一点。
When you collect the heater, it should be tightened up. Should be tightened up because to avoid there is wire not very good and the heater there is low power. And after finish, you cover it. Okay, here the mod almost finished assembled. The forming mod almost finished assembled. And here for the pipe, for the air pipe. Cut the air pipe. And wires to the top paste and locate. And here adjustment the location, the nylon board location, the paper location, the paper board location. The location. Almost.
我现在那里我还没动。
You see, after this, about 3 to 5 millimeter. Should under this one. about 3 to 5 millimeters.
这里呢是
Fade paper.
用上模具对准这个折压痕线。
Why assemble the more the here should be very important is prism male mode should be four side, especially for the collar. Four side should be even to the prism line. And the white flower symbol the location, paper location bar. Paper location. This one is for the paper location, fill the paper location. Add fix and adjustment the paper. Because here is already fixed. And here so for the paper location. And here loose adjustment to the heating location. Here fix the paper bar. Here's for the heating, hot air. This one should be very important, should be even. Four sides should be even. And then use this one to touch this place. For the paper location bar.
这个架子还有那个相应的，再往里面顺一点，往里面拧。
Here loose the heater, and for the adjustment to the smallest size. Here move the guide, Here how to adjustment because here has paper. Here has paper. Here has paper. So his adjustment to the guide to press the paper.
这个架子螺丝在上面。
这个还有架子还有移吗？
还要移进去，小的要往里面移。
这个是锡纸的那个支架。
Here is move the supports, paper supports, paper guide paper guide support. Move the paper support. See, move the paper guide. Move the paper guide bar. Because the paper size, you should keep here. So almost you keep the paper in the center adjustment.
这个往里面按这个螺丝要松掉啊，
Move to here.
这螺丝要松掉。
While you move it, you should loose. You loose the board.
还要再放。然后这个要放很多进去，沿着那个指边的放。对，然后你对着这个指边调。
那里
调
而且这里要先松掉
这个推头也要往里。
And here is a paper feed. Paper feed bar also should move. Paper feed bar.
这个也是，现在可以拿起放着。
你不要断了视角，这根杆子是锡纸下来，要把纸从这里勾过去的，等一下再调，先松下来，放在这里。
And move. 好的。First is the paper support. Paper support bar from here.
大概这样的，先把下面螺丝要扶起来，前面这个位置操作平。There's two boards. Also another two boards.
And here also. For the support bar, for the paper support, support the paper.那里要弄掉。
这个感觉这里就不动了，就动这个斜一点。
这里对不对吗？不对，我这里不对。
那不够啊？
肯定还要往里面走。
我这边的够了。
哪里对了？
把这个螺丝松了往里面走嘛。
也不对。
大概这里平行啊。这里平行了，可以把这个螺丝锁起来。
Here can feed the paper, here can guide the paper, and then locks the board. A little locks. And also this side. Same way. Leave the paper in the center. Keep paper almost in the center. And this side should put.它是个飞的盖，飞的法，paper飞的法。What are adjustments there? Paper size font, paper size location.
这个杆子长度长了吧？要换一根嘛？往后面挪一点是吧？
不用挪，就是本来是和这个平的。
那要拆掉一根吗？那根短的有用吗？没用吧？
这个也不需要拆，
也不用拆，短的那个。
对，它只要往里面移就可以。
进来一点。这两个杆子的间距哦，比如说这边两个间距是35公分，那前面就做38公分，就是是个喇叭口，那边要稍微宽一点，这边要稍微窄一点。
This side almost touch the paper. This side got almost touch the paper. But another fade side you can make it a little bigger. For example, this side is 40. That side you can use 45, a little bigger.
这个也要调，就是 拨，那边是2条杆子贴着纸，这边的话大概一边拨出来2毫米左右。刚刚搭配的。
A little wider than the paper, a little wider than the paper, about 2 millimeter wider than the paper, two sides, the guide bar. Let it easy, smoothly fade. 这边宽了一点，这边过来了一点。这边过来一点，这个在中间这里位置。这边太过来了，应该过去点，还要过去点。
对。
这个没在中心。That side, almost important is that side. Very important is this side. This side should almost just touch the paper. 这里太紧了。Not tight, not tight， 这太紧了这里。Just almost touch the paper, almost touch the paper, but not too tight, not too tight. Here, okay, the guide paper guide. And here the bar. And what about adjust the feed? Paper feed.
这里要松掉吗？不用松，就一个平面。
This one should be even. Well, you.
这个加中指的位置。
Well, just this place. And then load. Adjustment.
长的这里有长的，换长的。
This one is small. We should change a little longer.
哎，你那里还要拆，那不是太麻烦了？直接换。
这个配个长的不就可以了？
这个有啊。
直接配长的，短的不用了。
那长的用不了，长的那个大号子用不了，用个这个。
这里要换啊，这里换一个。就最大的跟最小的要换，中间的。
This one is small size. This one is short enough.
这个小了一点。
So the feet weight bar not enough, and then it's not enough. So that's why we need adjustment. We need adjustment. While here should be even, like this. Well, this like this, and adjustment. Adjustment to the face bar. 推这里还是推这里？
推里面。
推这里。
长的那个拿过来，我把它收一下。
Here is angle.
稍微留一点点的缝隙就可以了。
You should a little balance. Here is a little balance. Because well, 0.5, about 0.5 millimeter balance. Because while you push the paper to here. If too tight, it will auto retain.
下面
Paper will auto
下
retain.
面
So you will leave 0.5 millimeter balance. The gap 0.5 millimeter balance.
夹子反这个反过来装不也好？
啊，
这个反过来
不
装不也好？
行，配度不一样，现在个配度不一样的。
He keep assemble on downstairs.
长的这个要装在这个上面，
Under.
上面
Because of the size.
装在这个翅膀下面。飞机的翅膀3:1。
也是整这个太麻烦了。
不麻烦就不行了。
早点说没换这个之前就把这个翅膀要先换起来。没把这个换起来之前，我先把这个翅膀要换。你说硬起来不会飞吗？啊。
东西嘛，
它这个线位就是
Check the angle. The angle. So you say there is angle. Here is the angle. And here we're about 0.5 millimeter balance. 0.5 millimeter balance. And later you can small adjustment while you adjust the box.
线位是这里2个档子，那里2个推子，然后这个线位呢，到了这个位置固定的，我就移一下。
The mode should
哎呀，我这里
tight.
一点都不合车走。
那你会换一点，让人占个好位置
啊？
你会搞一点，让人占个好位置
我要1个多小时，目前为止应该也差不多1个。
差不多。要1个多小时。
这样。
Change one mode, especially for the biggest one to the smaller one. Maybe you need one or 2 hours because too many parts need for adjustment. Because especially for the big size to small size.
换。
小的在哪里？
我刚才
Almost adjustments, usual adjustments, the size. There are a lot of parts, like the support bar. This is support bar, and here's the thrust bar. Here's to press the paper, control the paper, and control the paper feed. And here is for the circle paper, the circle paper location. Also need adjustment. Also for the paper location and here. Paper location, paper size location. Lander.
除了这个支架，这个风口啊，它要对着这个粘接的风点。这个管子这个间距是比较大的，所以要缩。这下面还有，你开一下，这下面还有洞口，可能要换一个洞口，换一个接口。
等一下，不要急着线。
没事。 Here is a thrust bar for the adjustment location, the paper fit location. While to this place, while here move to here, move to here. While this board move to here. Adjust this one, and here. 这个位置定位是在哪里定的？
就看这个纸片
把纸片摆在那里，它
你或者
防止它回弹。
从夹头这里量过来15啊，或者20。
哦，从哪里？
这个面。
你只要这里超过这里就可以了。
这个定位不就是防止回弹的吗？就是中间
没有，你不是回弹，
热风。
你推不到位就没有，推不到位这贼风吹不到。
不是，这根杆子是防止回弹的。
对。
那个这个杆子的调教标准不就是下面的杆子拉直，然后这个送到中间这个位置，然后那个
预防纸跳起来了。
对，防止纸弹回去。
那个adjust the hotel location.
好，我把纸往架子往里面送了，要送进去了。
这里定好了没有？
哪里啊？没有，我先把这里定了就可以。
怎么定位中心这个点？下面不是那个杆子拉直吗？
To this side, about this side. Create the paper location. Paper location.
.前面这里跟到这里跟纸对这个是留一个的缝隙。
And there is a gap. There's a little gap from the thrust bar. 没事，不要，没关系的，没关系。有的它反而看不见。
你刚刚它回弹的只留一个缝，然后这根杆子必须要1比1贴着，这根杆子是推纸的主动力。
This one should touch the side, touch the edge, touch the collar. Because this one is with the paper, just with the paper.
开始你在调那个推头的时候，也是杆子要拉直，但是拉直了意味着那个推头到了最大位置。
Well, this one you feed the paper. Well, you feed the paper, you should touch, fully touch, and well, here is this one comes. Here is this one fix adjustment. This one adjustment is the feed. The paper feed. This one paper feed. Well, you adjust this location is here. This one should be plain to the, not means feed to the right side. Is almost straight, almost straight. The maximum. Maximum. And what now we lose the hotel location. We lose the hotel location. Because there are different hotel locations. Different hole. We change the hole location. Cell type and the cell type. Avoid hotel big. You should use paper. You should use paper to adjustment the location. Patient says the hotel should point here. Hotel should point here. hair flowing here. Water is used for heating the heat here. And here is the copper pad. You can use neutral small adjustment. And here, you see. Sealing part. This is for the sealing part. And this one needs more adjustment while the sealing against the final color sealing. Depends on the color sealing. You can adjustment the final sealing against the final sealing location. If the sealing good, sealing against the final sealing adjustment. Okay, here are adjustments.
你天天这不请假。
Hair adjustment to the sock rotation. Paper sock rotation. here not touch. Wire adjustment. Here should not touch. No touch is suck. And here no touch. Because here is fade the paper. Here is fade paper. Fade bar. And here you can just add fade one paper here to check. The suck in the center. And here not touch here not touch here. 这里稍微有点靠近了。
没事，
No
不撞就
touch.
可以。只要不撞。
No touch. No touch. Okay, what now we just the paper fade. Paper fade location. We keep here. We keep the paper here. Here paper fade. Here is a paper fade location. And here, voltage this one. Voltage. Move to the top. Move to the topic. Move to this location. Move to this location. Well, here to the topic. And here to the topic. And then adjustment to the paper fade bar. Paper folder bar. This folder bar adjustment against the paper.
中间定一个，
Against the paper size. There is a spare. Sometimes the paper is very soft. If the paper is very soft, you should need more paper, more folder. But maybe here and here, center, you need more folder.
钉在脚上。
现在脚上拉的越手越。
我发现钉在脚上。
Should be not very tight. You can easily fit and not tight. And the T is upside, T is side. Right now we collect the power. Right now we collect the power. Right now we collect the power. And the 这个气没有。
从细张下来。
And the air, collect the air. You see the air is on auto up. The G should be upside. G should be upside. And we are trying to fit one paper. After you press start, the machine is a step motor. The step motor will auto move here. Auto move there. This should be very important. If you from small size change to big size, that one location should be very important.
过细它。
一定要，如果说遇到这种情况，那个锁住了没松掉，它就会报警。
这里被锁住了。
Because here is lock and auto stop. There is lock. There is lock. Not drop down. Auto stop.
开机之前这个一定要松掉。
When you start the machine, here should be loose lock. Loose lock. And here's more adjustment for the feeder.
那边松的。
Feed holder. It's not easy suck down. And also adjust the location, suck location, too tight. Too tight. After suck the paper should be in the guide. In the guide. Paper should be out in the guide.
推过来了。
Easily suck to the guide. 在头发上面。Let's now open the heater。它这个是先关掉的是吧
哎，先关掉的。
？First we should 这样是关掉的形式是吧？
就转这个嘛。
这个是把这个关掉了是吧？
哎，
没有工作是吧？
你想把它
这样子是
放进去，
开起来的，是
这样
自动开了，
开起来，然后你开机它就慢慢走过去了。
它自动的是吧？啊，What's the first？For the first, we should 这样子的是吧？We should set the serial motor off. Serial motor off because well adjustment. From the biggest one to the smaller one is okay, but from the smaller one to the biggest one, maybe here will touch the mode. So this one will touch the mode. That's the problem. So that's why you need adjustment in this one. 好。So we should off. This one is on. This one is off. If you pull this one, if you pull start, this serial motor will automatically move there to take strap the box. Will automatically move there. So that's why we move it off. We move it off. Right now we check the forming shape. Check the forming shape. Because it's heating. So we check. 是哪里控制啊？哪里控制它下来呀？哦。This one is solid. This one control. Control is down and up. Manually control. Let's check the forming shape. Four side. Check the four side is okay. Four side shape. Forming. And also check the four side forming. And here you see, here it's not good. Here it's not correct. So there you need little adjustment. You should move off the air. You should turn off the air, and then let it down. You can put manually down, and turn on the power.这要改哪里？
我还要调这个，
调参数是吧？那个怎么调吗？
不是调参数，直接还要动位置啊。这个位置还要动。
It's on. Serial motor is on.
慢慢就过去了。
The serial motor is on and it's move slowly. Slowly move to take grab the box. You see, after the box forming, and here cannot take the box. Not enough. The serial motor cannot move to take the box. So you need the adjustment here. Here, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 4 box. 4 boards. Move the whole serial motor. Grab the box. Move the whole parts. and here two ports. To move the whole serial motor location.还是不够。
不够，下面还要这里还要漏。
You see, after to pull the left to the left side, but not enough. You should fix the board, four boards, and then we're just here. We're just here. This one is for the big, from the big box to the small box. But if you change from the small box change to the big box, you first you should lose this one. You should lose this one and this one. Move the serial motor to the right side. You move back because here maybe will touch the motor. If you change to big motor, here will touch the motor. So you should move. Here to fix this two boards and here is two boards, and then we will loose. We will adjust here. We will adjust these four ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loose the board. The box flap. To grab the box. There's four bolts. There's four bolts to control this board. Control the grab. Control the box flap. And move it. And move it to inside the curve, but not touch the mold. Not touch the mold. Do not touch the mold. There should be 0.5 to 180 millimeter back to the mold. That means after the mold 12 counts.不能碰到模具是不是？
哎，不能碰到，离1个半左右。
It's about 1 to 1.5 millimeter. Not touch the mold.
1个左右就可以了。
Do not touch the mold. No touch. Here. That's about 1.5 millimeter. See? Where you move it, not touch. you move the mode, do not touch the mode. About 1.5 millimeter. And we turn on the air, open the air.
现在可以装起来。
This one is heater, mode heater. Open the air, turn on the air. Water adjust the box flex location. Flex location. Well, this one to this move to the right side, to the end. Whereas serial motor, already moved to the left side. Adjust the box location. In the center. Move. Almost inline mode. Should be inline mode. Same level to the mode.
来，再来一个，放。
And here, the small box.
这个下面有个螺丝啊，这下面
那个下面。
这反手。
Another one is under.
按长的呢，
Hold the box.
放两个，这个要用两个，短的用一个，长的用一个。
There is longer and the smaller one.
应该够啊，装的这个螺丝够啊。够啊，我试过够啊。
小的挺够的。
露出来一点就可以了嘛，这个会粗一点。
够了没有？因为我够了，够了。
这里还要回换洗。
And also the top change because here is bigger than the box. This one is bigger than the box. So need adjustment. This one also need adjustment. Should change to smaller one. Should move to inside.
还有动这句话，这个皮筋压起来。
You should use urgent stop. While do the change, you should use urgent stop or turn off the power for safety. For safety. This adjustment is control the almost in the center, in the box center. Keep in the box center. The point center.
手机放下来，手机要放下来。你让一下嘛，这里让一下。辛苦，我们试试把它走。
Here is the spotted valve control. Spotted valve control. Control the cylinder.
对啊。
Adjustment to location for the box to match the box. To match the box size.
多少？
把它往里面调，把这个取下来往里面，把这个取下来，然后这个往里面，松掉，把它往里面。
再加一个。
Because the height different, so we should loose.
这个再加一个。
加嘛，加50。
There is control, the location control. Well, push the location. There is the holder. There is the plastic holder. This one for the small box. I need one big more. There is 3.
这那个刚好继续4、5个，行，放掉吧。
可以，就这样先。
I just fit to here. Just fit to here. They can fit here. And then fix here. And then fix it. And then fix it. Here should be dropped easily. Drop easily and easily. And this for easy push down the box. Easy push down the box into the collector. Collect. Right now we're hitting and wait. And piece paper to check. After you press on the servo motor is on, and then press start. The servo motor will automatically move. The servo motor will slowly move to the empty. And then move back. Only paper coming, the servo motor will working.
那调枪距你要做一下。
这里没有，这里有对准的。要绳子哪里吗？要绳子参数吗？
这个剪掉了已经。
头发时间要短一点吧？为什么？那小模具吗？
这个稍微严实一点。
为什么？这个就是说，这个是横模时间要短一点是吧？
这为了不剪也可以。
因为屁股长了嘛。这是后面看0.5 and bigger and the grab, the delay grab， 延时时间要短一点嘛，长一点嘛。
对，延时稍微长一点。
为什么？因为它夹手可以多长一点。不是很了解。看一下。你要这知道。This two bigger, this two paper, this up。那个直尺嘞？那个直尺在哪里？钢板尺，刚才有钢板尺。不是钢尺。刚刚平时嘛，刚刚平。While here to the topic, right here to the topic. This one should be 3 millimeter down, under, 3 millimeter under. 3 millimeter under. Okay. 3 millimeter under. 好。Let's fade one piece.
刚才延时稍微多一点，这个夹水就夹的多一点。
它夹到哪里啊？再看一下。它哪里多一点？夹到哪里多一点？
夹的就多一点。我把这个延时放少一点，它夹的就更少。
夹到上面一点是吧？
对。
夹到下面点，上面一点是吧？
然后这个是0.05，它夹的就很少。现在我们选择了0.08。夹的多一点。
here, delay clamp, delay clamp 0. That means delay the 0.08. Bigger, 0.8. That means clamp. While here, grab take the clamp the here. If 0.8, we are clamp here. We are grab here. 不要拉着，没关系的，没有成型没关系。If 0.8, we are clamp here, but if 0.5, maybe here. So that's the delay. That's the grab delay. 好，
明天再换网，
那就好了，基本上好了是吧？
对。
How what are the small adjustment? What are small adjustment is the paper. This one is stop, and we can start. If you press start, one page here. One page is like this. This one is on. This one is on. This one is on. And around we see. And here is 这个是正确的是吧？啊？ This one is not on. This one is on. And the next. And then we press. 那个已经开了是吧？那个已经过去了啊。这个帽子座位。这个是哪一个嘛？This one is drop the paper. Drop the box. Drop the box. And we feed one paper. We feed one paper to check. Automatic. If you only feed the paper, come to there, and this serial motor working and the following one. Every firebox drop. 当然掉下去还有点问题，然后程序也还没好，程序还有点问题。And here drop down， 这里还要细调。Every 5 pieces we should slowly adjustment because every 5 pieces and open in the middle, and here the forming shape. Forming shape not good. You should adjustment here. Here editor adjustment. But normally after the box adjustment, you lower the adjustment. 这个位置应该没调对啊。Forming shape should be square and even. Okay, here's the change mode. If you want from small box to big box, you should first move here. You should first move this one to the Okay, what are the small adjustment? 就是说它这个调好了之后，它就不用调了，是吧 ？After we had already adjustment, this one, you lower it to adjustment. This one comes to the color. This one comes to the color form shape. This one comes to the color form shape. The paper form shape. This location. Okay, here's the folder. pop up. So for the from 40. About 10 volt almost ready. Why start the motor working? It's first the main motor working, but here's this small adjustment for the paper. Small adjustment paper. Top show.